Okay, got that. In fact, let's take this discussion forward. Harsh, thanks a lot for joining in. Sonal is here to tell us what key brokerages are making of Reliance and the underperformance it's seen over the last many days. Sonal.
Well, yes, it's another report that we are getting for Reliance Industries in just last few days. Let me start with what Macquarie is saying here. They have upgraded the stock to neutral from an underperform, but their target price is still at 2050, which is still lower than the street estimates. They still see consensus EPS cuts, but now it's a balanced risk-reward according to Macquarie. They forecast 6% growth in 2-year net income CAGR for Reliance, while consensus is more optimistic versus Macquarie at 15%. They could get more constructive on Reliance Industries in a scenario where the company is on the path to deliver on consensus forecast earnings with respect to free cash flows. New energy, fintech verticals show evidence of growth for the company going forward as well. We also have a note from JP Morgan where they have gotten some investor feedback. They have an overweight rating with a target much higher at 2,960 rupees per share. There is value according to the investor feedback, but no recent catalysts. There is higher capex, lack of retail disclosures, which are the key issues which investors have spoken about. However, multiple catalysts will play out from calendar year 24 onwards. Stronger retail, potential tariff hike, lower capex, progress towards potential IPOs. So largely the underperformance is led by lower flows into the stock, and that is something that could be the key to watch out for Reliance Industries going forward as well.
All right, thanks a lot for that. The other stock quickly before the market opens that we're looking at is Bajaj Auto, because JP Morgan has a positive note on Bajaj Auto. They maintain an overweight. They have a target price of 4,400, which is their base case. Their bull case is a 41% upside to the current market price, and they say that that could come through if exports bottom out as planned. There's a potential recovery in exports from Q2 that's expected. Also, there's a new premium motorcycle launch under the Bajaj Triumph JV, and that's a positive trigger. They're expecting 40,000 volumes by FY25 from the Bajaj Triumph launch, and the EV launches could also be the next big trigger for them. Bajaj is expected to launch several new two-wheeler electric vehicles over the coming quarters, and they will be launching a new three-wheeler EV by Q1 of FY24 as well. In fact, when I mentioned the new premium motorcycle launch, I saw Nigel suddenly his ears perked up. You're interested in that one? I mean, it's expected to be a beauty.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
I mean, 2024, I'm definitely looking at a new set of wheels. So good, more option for me.
Absolutely, and that's a big trigger as well. Just 10 seconds left for the market to open, by the way, so let's focus on that. Looks like it's going to be a quiet opening, so, we'll sort of take it from there. It's been a very range-bound market, and that's the first take on the index as well. Sensex and the Nifty absolutely quiet. The Nifty just hovering around that 16,980 mark. Now up about, 0.15%. So